Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. As you know from the thumbnail, I have an exciting video. I was so excited to film this. You guys have no idea. We are going to try out a new subscription service box, guys. Yes, I know I normally do my beauty box, guys, every month. Don't worry, guys. I have it coming your way. I'm just waiting for the Walmart beauty box. But for now, we are going to diverse to a different little place and do the treat box subscription, guys. And basically, because it's right here, this is how it looks like, guys. It says treats. You basically every single month you get to try different treats from all over the world. You pretty much don't know what you're gonna get. Of course, you can look at spoilers, but you know that I love to be surprised with you guys. I love to unbox things with you guys. So I have no idea where we're going this month for the month of June, and I'm so excited to try this out, guys. I was looking for beauty boxes because I wanted to add more to my beauty box little video that I do. And then I came across this treat unboxing services subscription. I was like, I have to try it. It looks so much fun. And I saw a lot of the reviews. A lot of people really liked it, like a lot. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and review it and see how we like it, guys. So we're going to be, like I said, reviewing and taking a first look at the treats subscription box, and it says explore the world through food. So isn't it so exciting to try different treats from all over the world? Because that's something that I love to do. This is why I love World Market and places like that, where they have different treats and snacks from different places. So much fun. You get to discover so many new things that maybe you wouldn't otherwise. Now, this monthly box, it is a monthly subscription. You do not customize anything at all. They have 3 different tiers. There's a $15 and change tier, which you get 5 snacks, different snack items from, you know, wherever we're going in the world. Then we have our next one, which is our $25 and change one, which brings 10 things. I was going to say 15, no, 10 things from whatever country we are going to be exploring. And that's actually the box that I have right here with me. It's the second one, which is a $25 and change. It brings 10 different little snacks and goodies for whatever country we're going to explore. And then we have our third one, which is our larger one, which that's the one that brings 15 snacks and goodies from whatever country we are going to explore. And that's usually recommended, like if you really love to snack on a lot of different things. If you have a bigger family, maybe you want to pass things around and share it, that would be an awesome one. I will leave all the links right below, all the information, and you can go check it out for yourself. So yeah, guys, let's get started on this treat little subscription box. I'm so excited, and let's see where we're gonna go today. What goodies, what snacks are we gonna give it a try? All right, let's open it up. Like I said, I have not peeked at all I did was like cut the tape so I could just pop it open just for the time's sake of the video, but I'm trying to not have it fall. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. Let's see, I don't want it to fall. Let me just hold it like that. So this is the little sneak peek. I do see that we have a little card or two. One fell, which it might be the same thing, but in here it says, dear snacker, our sincerest apologies, we ran out of the something by Santa Hela. To complete for what we are replacing the items with 2 international items in your box. So we're gonna get 2 more different snacks because I guess the theme that they run out of 1. So it says, my warmest regards, treat team. I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. Once again, here is the box. All right, guys, so let's open it up and let's see where we're going, what country we're going to try. Let me actually put it down because I feel like the flyer is gonna fall. All right, I see. If I'm not mistaken, yes, which I can read here, this is Brazil, because I recognize the little statue they have there. But yes, guys, it says welcome to Brazil. That is the country we're going to be trying out different snacks and treats. I'm so excited. I love it's like a postcard, guys. Like if you are a junk journaler or you like to collect stuff like this or give it, this would be adorable. It says welcome to Brazil. This month's treat box comes from Brazil, the 5th largest country in the world, both by land area and population. Brazil is the only country in South America that does not speak Spanish. I think they speak Portuguese, right? And it's also the country with the largest Roman Catholic population in the world. as well as the largest world exporter of coffee for more than 150 years. And it gives other more information. But once again, how exciting. It says right here, Bon Appetit from Treats. I love it. I love it. Okay. Once again, we already know that we're going to Brazil, guys. I don't think I've ever tried in Brazil. Like, I'm pretty sure. Okay. So once again, we do have another pamphlet. It says Explore Brazil. It says Brazilian facts. Did you know? So basically it's sharing some facts with you in this little card. And right behind it, it has conchas, Brazilian chicken croquetas. Oh, it has a recipe, guys. You get a recipe of one of their traditional plates, which I think this is amazing. If you're trying to cook different food, if you want to explore different countries, you know, yummy food, this definitely would be a good subscription box. And like I said, they have a more affordable one, which is the $15. If, you know, maybe you're a little tight or you're not sure, you could try that one out. But I kind of knew that I was gonna like this, so I went with the middle one. Anyways, let's keep going. So it has like a little pamphlet of all your treats. We got a pretty good amount. Like I said, you get 10 in the 25 and change monthly subscription. And it also has a little enters mystery giveaway. So there's that. All right, guys, here we go. Let me give you a sneak peek. Okay. So we do have two things that are not from Brazil because they ran out. So hopefully I can spot them. Which, let me see. Does it say? It says the two things that are being replaced is crackling from Philippines and Boni Pop de la Rosa from Mexico. So this is the Mexico treat that we're getting replaced. Look how good this looks. Paleta Mabel Boni Pop. I think it's a chocolate marshmallow. My 7-year-old will love this. So I'm going to save it for her. Guys, I'm so excited. You have no idea. Like, you have no idea. Just, you know, sometimes treats make you happy, you know? Anyways, let's move on. And then this is, I'm guessing this is Brazilian because I have no idea how to. Vozoni sweet popcorn. Okay, I'm glad there's some English in here. It says sabor tradicional. And yes, it's made from corn. So these are like chips. I'm assuming they're chips. And it has like a little abuelita right there with the little grandson. How adorable. I love it. So these are little, yeah, corn and sugar. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open it up. I might not open everything, but I'm just intrigued. Okay. This is how it looks in the back. I smell things we've put them in my mouth. That's just me. Okay. It's good. It's like, I almost feel like it kind of reminds me of Pop-Tarts, but as I keep chewing, it's like, it's not Pop-Tarts. You know what I mean? Like, if you ever had cereal Pop-Tarts, that's, as soon as I put it in my mouth, that's kind of what it gives me. And the sweet, it's not super sweet. It's like a subtle sweet. I like it. It's actually really good. Yes. Not bad. Okay, I'm gonna have one more. Oh, okay. Okay. There's that. Then let's keep going in our goodies. This is the Filipino other snack that we got replaced. Remember, we had the chocolate and we had this one, and these are the cracklings in old-fashioned salt and vinegar. So they're like little chips. My husband, my 7-year-old, really loved this, so I'm gonna leave it for them, but not bad. And look at the size, guys. Are you looking at the size? It looks like it's full size. You know what I mean? I'm loving the box already. I'm loving it. Okay. Next, we have some Mabela Biscota Sabor Morango. Maybe it's a strawberry. Because I'm looking at the picture because I don't read Portuguese. But there's that. Look how good. Once again, look at the size, guys. Look at the size. Okay, we're opening this one because it's strawberry. You guys know how I'm into strawberry. Like, I can't, what can I say? Yes, I have this, I'm in a strawberry kick and I'm still on it. And I'm about it. Okay, so there we go. And this is how the, wait, let me see, cracker looks. It has like the bran on there, and then you can see the strawberry in there. It's so nice. I like it so much. Okay, okay, I hope this is not weird, but it smells like strawberry. It's really good. Really good. Okay. All right, I'm not gonna sit here and eat, guys, everything, but I would like to see the person try and be like tasting it, right? I hope you guys don't mind. Or let me know if you don't want me to try anything on because you're like, girl, don't do it. Then fine. I'll just show you the products next month. But oh, that's good. Okay. All right. Next, we're gonna go ahead and look at this Prestigo. It looks like it has coconut, maybe chocolate. I don't know. But I'm thinking something with coconut because I can see the coconut right here. So there's that. I don't know how I feel about coconut chocolate. If it contains chocolate and if it's just coconut. I mean, I like coconut water, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, there's that one. Then, just get them. We have these banana baruba something. And it's like a little banana treat. It's like a little banana treat. How cool. Oh, I feel like this probably will taste good. Okay. Then we have, I don't even know what it says here, but it looks like another banana treat. Is it chocolate? I'm gonna open this one up because I want to know if it has chocolate. I always think when I see this packaging, I think chocolate. Like, see, I was right. It's like chocolate banana. I thought it was gonna be like white, or you know what I mean? It's like a little gooey, like kind of a Tootsie Roll. It doesn't taste like Tootsie Roll, but just to describe it, it's actually pretty good. It doesn't have a strong banana taste to it, so if you don't like that, you might like this. Now, if you don't like banana at all, then probably this is not for you, but it's like, it's just a hint of the banana. At least so far, right? With the one bite that I took. That's pretty good. Okay. Then our last big item are these Lioquitos. I don't know, sabor prestum, I don't know. It looks like it's ham or meat chips, ham chips. Okay, you tell me, what do you see? This reminds me a little bit of Yoshi. I took the girls to see Super Mario Galaxy, and the little Yoshi, so adorable. Anyways, okay. I don't know if it's like a ham or meat chip. Yikes, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. I'm trying to see if I can read anything. Oh, here we go. It says corn snack ham flavor. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. I don't know how I feel about ham flavored chips. Should I try it? Okay, fine. I'll try it. Wait. I mean, oh man, it smells like ham. I've never ate ham chips in my life. Okay, okay, Jennifer. I mean, they're not bad, but I just feel like I feel weird eating a chip that tastes like ham, because ham to me is like in salads, in a sandwich. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad, okay, but it's just different. So I don't know, maybe my husband. Yeah, ham chip. Okay. All right, Brazil, I see you. All right. I would never in my life think of a ham chip ever, but that's the cool thing about this subscription. I love it. Okay. And then we have a loyo as a cow. I'm assuming it's chocolate milk type of treat. Okay. Maybe I should open something up so I can taste the ham flavor. Then we got this baton. I think it's a little, I'm thinking chocolate as well, like a little chocolate candy type of thing. Let's open it up. Maybe that will help me. Oh wait, no, it's not. I thought it was gonna come like in a little, you know, things, but it's actually like, can you see what I mean? It smells good. It smells like chocolate. Okay. Wow. All right, and then you have two of these. They're called gomitas. Gomitas, I think. And I'm sure it's like little sugar candy. Like you can see like the little sugar in there. I'm gonna try one just so I can have something different taste in my mouth. But yes, and I have, like I said, two. If I can open it, guys. All right, bear with me. Okay, I got it. So, again, these are how it looks like. It reminds me of the dog. Not bad. Okay. Like I said, I don't usually like that type of candy, but it's not bad. Guys, so that was pretty much everything in our little treat box. Guys, let me know what do you guys think about it. I honestly really liked it. Now, am I gonna love everything, every single thing? Maybe not, because I wasn't the biggest fan of the ham chips, but overall I think it's such a cool, fun way to try different snacks and goodies from other countries that I had no idea that existed. And I'm so excited because, like I said, every month we get a different country. We're going to a different place. So I can't wait to see what July holds for us. But this was our June 2026 treat box subscription. Like I said before, I will have all the information linked down below if you want to check it out. Maybe you want to start with the 15 and give it a try to see if something you'll like. I think this is awesome, especially even if you want to give it as a gift for any person that loves trying different snacks. That would be such a cool thing to give. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was so excited to do it, and honestly, I had a lot of fun trying out the goodies. Let me know though, do you want me to try it or not? Because if you're like, girl, just show me, okay, I'll try it out in private, no worries. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end my video with encouragement, with scripture. And today I'm going to actually end with the quote. So I hope this blesses you guys and just makes you think, guys. Just makes you think, because we are definitely living in some crazy times. And, you know, it's good to examine ourselves and really see where we are at. So this is my quote for this video. If they made the Bible illegal, would you have enough of it in you to sustain you? I pray you dwell on that. And I pray that you pick up your Bible more than you pick up your phone, that you're really reading for yourself and really getting that word of God into you, because I'm telling you, it will change your life. It's life-changing type of reading. The words are powerful. They come alive. All right, guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I will be also sharing my monthly beauty subscriptions, the most affordable, and I'm giving you a sneak peek. I got 2 new subscription beauty boxes that we're going to be looking at. So make sure you come back and stay tuned. Like I said, I'm just waiting for Walmart. Walmart, come to me now. All right, guys, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.